In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comment in ClickUp. We'll go through the process from the ClickUp home workspace all the way to posting a comment inside a task. This is a simple but very useful action, especially when you want to share updates, ask for clarification, or keep communication directly attached to the work item instead of sending separate messages. To begin, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace and viewing the main home area. Starting from the home workspace helps you navigate cleanly to the task you want to comment on. From there, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on My Tasks. This section is helpful because it gathers the work that is relevant to you in one place, so you don't have to search through multiple spaces or lists manually. Once you're inside My Tasks, you can click on Assign to Me if you want a faster way to narrow the view to tasks that are currently assigned to you. This is a good option when you already know the task you need is part of your own workload. After selecting that view, wait a moment for the task list to load completely. When the list appears, find the task you want to work with and click on that selected task. This will open the task page where you can view its details, activity, and discussion area. After the task page loads, move your attention to the bottom area or the lower right portion of the task view. This is where the comment field is typically located. Depending on your screen size or layout, the exact position may look slightly different, but it will still be within the task's conversation or activity section. Click into the comment field and type your comment as needed. You can use this space to leave a quick note, provide progress updates, ask a question, or respond to existing task activity. A helpful tip here is to keep your comment clear and specific so anyone viewing the task later can easily understand the context. Once your comment is entered, it's ready to be added to the task conversation. This helps keep collaboration organized and ensures your message stays connected to the correct task. And that's it. That's how to add a comment in ClickUp. As you can see, the process is straightforward. Open your workspace, go to My Tasks, choose the task, locate the comment field, and add your message. Using comments inside tasks is one of the easiest ways to keep communication organized and visible for everyone involved.